Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw one of the older skins in Fortnite, the Blue Squire. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the eye area first. So this one is just going to be a long rectangle. So it's very thin, and then on the bottom here you can add just a little bit of curve to make it a little bit more interesting. Okay, and then from here we can draw the eyes inside. So on the side here you can just draw one line first, and this is going to be the top of the eye, the eyelid. And then on the corner here we're just going to dip it down. So that's going to be the shape of the eye. And then once we have that, we just kind of fill in the inside for the eyeball, and just gonna try to save a little bit of highlight. Okay, so that's pretty much his eye, and we're just gonna keep it simple. So now to draw in the awesome looking face mask. So on the side here, just come up, and then we're gonna come back down, just kind of round it off. Just come back down. And then once you get here, just kind of flare it out slightly. Okay, and then in the middle here, you can actually draw one line down. And then we just kind of connect these points here. So it should be sloping down to the middle. Okay, so let's keep going. Right, let's finish up the bottom first then. So from here, to draw in the jawline, on the side here, just kind of push it in, and then go back to the center again. And then again, we can draw in another line here. Alright, and there's gonna be some detail, but let's finish up the overall head first. So up here, we're just gonna draw one big dome shape. And then for the details on the armor here, just kind of come down. You can make a little mark in the center. And then we're gonna slant it down. And then from these 2 points here, we just kind of curve it to the side. Alright, so now let's add in some details, and this one's easy. We're just gonna follow this line here. So we're just gonna give this whole line some thickness. We're gonna draw in one center line again. And for some detail here, there's gonna be a little curve. And you can add in more details if you want, but I'll just keep this simple. Okay, and then on the bottom here, we're just gonna draw another line here. So these little details are really easy to draw, but it does make a difference in the drawing. And then we're gonna come down here. So same thing here. Just give us some thickness to this line, and that's pretty much it for the head. All right, so it's pretty cool looking. And now let's come down and draw the neck and scarf. So down here, we just curve in. So that's gonna be the inside of the scarf. And then on the side here, we're just gonna come down with a slant. And then we're gonna come back all the way down to the center again. And then to make this look like cloth, you can just kind of draw in, continue this line. And this part here, we're gonna go this way. And then let's just draw one more line coming down, so it looks like it's being wrapped around. Alright, so now let's draw in the body, and for the shoulder we're gonna come out slightly. We'll make it a little bit wider. Come down straight. And then we're just gonna pinch down all the way down to his waist. Close that off. And then we're gonna draw in the belt, so one section. This one's a little bit wider, and then the bottom belt is going to be slightly smaller. And again, same detail here. Here's the buckle. A little bit of detail. Just a little rectangle, and then 2 loops on each side. And then buckle on the bottom. 2 lines, and then same thing. 2 loops. Alright, so let's see. Let's add in some detail to to the body here. So on the shoulder strap here, this one's easy. We're just gonna draw another line because he's got another strap. And then for this one, he's got one big one coming across. So from the corner here, just kind of go all the way across his body. And then here's the other side. So it's gonna be one big strap. And then for this one here, it's gonna start here because it's underneath the big strap. And then we can add in some buckle detail here. All right, and I think he's got one pocket here. Let's draw a square and then a little V shape in the middle. And then for finishing off some detail, and again, the center line. And then from here, just kind of draw in a slant here because there's some different materials here. So slant, and if you have space here, you can just draw in another line. All right, so that's pretty much for his body. Now let's move on to his arm. So his arm, here's the shoulder. Curve down. Here's the armpit. Bracket for his biceps, and here's the elbow. Lower arm, he's just gonna come out. And then we just kind of pinch it in. Okay, so right around here, and then close it off. And let's add in one section for his wrist here for the glove. And then for his hand, we're just gonna come out. We're just gonna keep it simple, and then we'll draw the back of the hand first. And then I'm just gonna come across here. And then for his thumb right here, just one little loop. And then for his other fingers, this one, we're just gonna come down. And we just gotta go back up, leave a little bit of space here so we can draw one more line here for the other fingers. Okay, and then let's see little details on the back of the glove. Alright, so let's draw in the other arm, and this one's gonna be holding a pistol. Curve down, here's the armpit. Bracket for his biceps. Okay, so this one's gonna be a little bit straighter, so we're gonna come out, and we can actually close that off. And then we're just gonna pinch it back in. Okay, so close it off right around here. And then we can add in some detail. Let's just add in 2 lines right now. Okay, and then for his hand here, so come down, and this is gonna be his thumb. Just kind of hook it. And then this is gonna be the palm. And here's the trigger finger. And I'm just gonna draw in, I'll draw in 3. I think I have enough room. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then here, from here, just draw in the grip, add a slant. All right, and then whatever space here, just close it off. That's gonna be his palm. And then for his pistol, we're just gonna keep it simple. So we're just gonna continue this line. Just come down, and let's just draw a rectangle. And then slant this one on the back. And then here's the trigger, the housing area. And then let's add in some details here, some sight. Let's add a block on the back. Here's the hammer on the back. And then here, we're gonna add in some detail. We're gonna draw one line slanting up, and it's come all the way across. And we can add in some lines here. And finally, the very tip. Okay, and let's see, to finish off his arm, he's got a little strap here. Okay, so let's see, all right, so we're done with the upper body, and let's move on to his legs. So in the middle here, come down, make a little mark. Side here, come out, and then kind of close it in. So come down, and then just kind of pinch it in slightly, close it off. Okay, and then we can draw in, this is gonna be his knee pad here, so just kind of come out, flare it out slightly, close it off, and then just draw 2 lines there for the armor. And then now let's draw in the other legs first before we go down. So we're gonna come out here, same thing. So use the other side for reference. Hook it back in, down, hook it in, close it. And then again, we're gonna flare this out. Close this off, and then again, same thing here. Alright, so let's draw in the details later. Let's finish up the lower legs. So the details are pretty easy on this one. So we're gonna come down straight, just pinch it in, close it off. We can continue those two lines. And then we're gonna draw one rectangle here. Okay, and then for his shoes, just come down, dome shape, come out more on this side, close it off. And then for the sole, I'm gonna extend it slightly to make it a little bit beefier. Just kind of have it slant out. And then details, just draw in two rectangles. And then finally under here, this is goes around his ankle. So slant down and then straight. Slant, straight. Okay, so let's draw on the other side, and it's gonna be pretty much the same. So pinch it in, close it off, and then rectangle, slant down, dome shape, come out more on this side, close it off, extend this slightly, slant out, and close it off, and then same thing here, just two rectangles, and then on the ankle here, slant, and then down. Okay, and then for here, it's got some straps, so I'm just gonna draw one strap here, and I'm gonna draw another strap at a slightly different angle, and then we're just gonna continue these two lines here behind the straps. Alright, so let's see, let's go back up here. He's got some detail here. Well, let's draw in, he's got two straps here. So 1, 2, and then it's gonna have one pouch here, so these are really easy. Rectangle, and then just come in, just draw a little angle like this and go out for the flap. And then another one here, so we're gonna come out, just kind of come down, just kind of go behind it. And then same thing here, angle, out. Okay, and then lastly, it's got some details down here. So in the middle, just come down, you can make a little mark. Let's draw like a little V shape here. Okay, and then we're gonna come up, straight, go across, and then come back down. So we're just kind of zigzagging, and then we'll go all the way out. Alright, and then once you have this, just give this whole line some thickness, so it's really easy. Just giving it a nice border. And that is it for this Blue Squire skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.